video, I'll be showing you how to fix. Please insert your GTA Vice City or press escape button to cancel. So all you have to do is just, first of all, you need to go to your web browser and then search for download daemon tools. We need this software to fix this problem. You can pay it or you can just search for an alternative for free. After that, this is the interface of the software you will have right here. And then what I wanted to do is just to open your GTA Vice City file location and then select all the files that you have here and then right click on them and then compress it into a GTA Vice City.rar. After that, open up your software that I told you to install and then click on this quick mount option and then just search for extracted folder that we have done it here and add it to the quick mount, and this will fix your problem automatically. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.